Okay, Tony, I'm leaving. I'm going to the agency for the permit. I hope that I can really make it today.
Okay, good luck. See you.
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes? Hello. Hello. I'm Sarah. We talked on the phone. I came for the permit.
Sit down. So, how can I help you? I prepared all the documents which you need, and here you go. You can take a look at them, fill them out at home, and you can come back tomorrow again.
I thought that I can fill them out now, here, because I looked through them and I had some difficulties in completing them, so I thought that maybe...
Yeah, but it is almost the end of the workday, and
Yeah.
do you know what we can do? Why don't you come in tomorrow before 4:30 and we'll go over them together?
Well, yes, the thing is that I really need this permit today, and tomorrow I also work, so I don't have the availability to come tomorrow, and I really need your help to fill out the questions.
Yes, but we close in 10 minutes and I don't think we'll have enough time.
I'm really sorry for this, but I do need the permit today. It's really important for me, and can't you just stay a little bit longer?
Oh, yeah, I see we'll have to do it today. So tell me, why are your difficulties?
Well, I don't really understand what you mean here, and I just wanted to specify more.
Oh, hi Meredith, you want to talk to me?
Yes. Okay, so I'll go straight to the point. Yesterday, a customer came in like in the last minute, and then I had to stay until 5:30, and this happens almost every day. And you know, this is really uncomfortable for me because I have to keep my kid from school. And
I'm sorry about that, but you know that the customer is always right and we cannot really afford to reject people coming to our door.
yeah, that's right. But if we don't have happy employees, we cannot have happy customers. And besides, we're not even compensated for staying overtime. So.
You know, I haven't actually seen it that way. It's really important for us that you're happy, that you're rested. So, do you have a suggestion of how we should deal with that problem?
Yeah, actually I have been thinking a lot about this, and I suggest that we keep our working hours as they are from 8 until 5, but we change our customer service hours, let's say from 8 until 4:30, because you know, we have other administrative work until 5.
Okay, I understand your concerns. Thank you for coming in and telling me that. We have a managers meeting on Monday, so I'll talk with other managers about this problem and I will let you know what happens.
Okay, thank you for
Thank
understanding.
you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello. Hi. Meredith, you wanted to talk to me?
Oh yes. Okay, so I'll go straight to the point. Yesterday a customer came in like at the last minute, and then I had to stay until 5:30.
Yeah.
And this happens almost every day, and you know, this is really inconvenient for me because I have to pick up my kid from school.
Well, I'm sorry about that, but you know, this is your job requirement, so I can't really do anything about it. You know, we have to serve the customers, they're always right, so I'm sorry that this happened to
Yes,
you.
but making us stay and work with customers until 5, I think it is becoming a bit too much.
Maybe you're not organizing your time efficiently. Maybe you can go over the customer satisfaction program that we had
Yes,
and revise
but
it.
the problem is not with me. What can I do when a person comes in, let's say, at 4:50?
Well, sometimes things like this happen, like you have to find the best way to cope with it.
No. I
Sorry.
came in to change this. I suggest we just close the doors at 4:55.
Close the doors. we cannot afford to lose customers. I'm sorry about that, but
Yes,
this
but
is just the way it is.
do you realize that if you don't change this, you'll be losing your employees, making us stay longer and not even compensating us for this? I mean, I expected much more support and understanding.
Well, I'm sorry, but these are the company rules, and I have to make an important call right now, so if you can excuse me. Here.